Good morning. It's 7:52 a.m. I'm in my very foggy car and I'm going to install this little guy. We'll see how it goes, but I'm also getting ready to take this pile of stuff, which I know you can't really see, my blankets and all this stuff out to Mealy the RV. Whoops. Hey, you think I should cash that lottery ticket? I'm gonna take this out to Mealy and we will go from there. Look, I got it sectioned up in here. It's sectioned up there. And these come out, and then I guess you put your phone in here and lock it in, and then you can turn this thing if you need to. So let's see how that goes. No, this is fucking going to fall. I can guarantee I'm going to drive right out of this driveway and it is going to fall off. I have it leaning back. There is no way. Watch. I even have it on this direction. There is no way that thing is going to stay. Okay, oh, my car is so fogged up. Too bad you can't turn it around. I don't know. Let us see. I'm driving over to storage to put these blankets and stuff away. I'm very curious. I'm gonna see if I can turn around. My window is all fogged up. This thing's gonna fall. Alright, I wanna see how long it takes for it to fall. My window is fogged up, so I can't turn it around. Okay, I'm going over a bump. Sorry I look like crap. I just woke up. I haven't even brushed my teeth. My tire light is on. I have to take my car over to Firestone and get my tires checked for the millionth time. So we'll see how that goes. Might as well get an oil change while I'm there. Let's see if I can turn this around again. It looks less foggy. Oh, it's totally gonna fall. All right. Okay, I'm trying to record now. Oh, there it goes. I knew it was gonna fall. I knew it. This thing sucks. This thing sucks. It sucks. All right, this is me holding it. I gotta find a way to do this. Anyway, yeah, this thing sucks. It just fell right out. I don't know what else I can do. There's no grip on these things. Okay. Going to storage. This thing didn't make it. It snapped right off. Here's the piece. It snapped. I paid $2 for it. Wasn't worth it. Oh well. Getting supplies. Getting supplies. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. I got some stuff over here from Camping World, so we're gonna get these in. It's all gonna fall out anyway. I'll be back. Inside Mealy, I have these open. I'm gonna have to make this bed. I have my sheets and stuff like that, so I've got to make this bed. We're getting ready to go on a trip. We're going to Cherokee, so I got to get this all cleaned up. I'll see if I can find a place to put the camera. But it looks good so far. Bed making should be fun. Okay, sorry people, I look like absolute death. I'm in Mealy. I'm getting ready to get him set up. I got toilet paper and I've got to put some stuff away. I also got a bar for this thing. Let me see if I can turn it. I got a bar that goes across this door right here. It's this RV crossbar. And I should have brought my drill so I could install it. I'm gonna have to put that up there and get that thing installed before we go, because when you go to open this door, you have to pull on this thing to close it back. Also, I have no lights on in here. But I'm gonna make this bed. This should be really fun. There's my clean sheets. Get a couple things put away. I also got these refrigerator bars that I'm gonna put in here so the food doesn't fall out. I have it open right now so it won't smell. Also, that's open so it won't smell. So I'm gonna do a couple things. Get my toilet paper put away and stuff like that. I'm so excited. All right, can't film me, so I didn't bring a tripod. Here's my before. Table is right here, which is gonna stay there until we go to move. But I'm gonna put all this other stuff away, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put these things in this refrigerator too. But here's my bed, and this thing is a biatch to make. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing made too. So you'll get some afters. Here's me in the mirror looking like crap. Okay. So apparently these little refrigerator bar things I should be able to put in here and things won't fall out. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can install these and see how it goes. So literally these things just twist on. So I put them in here in line with these grooves. We'll see how that goes. They feel like they're on pretty tight. So there's one. Okay, there's two. I actually have another one. I'm going to put it in my pantry because this little thing that I have slides around. Oh wait, I forgot I had these. These are the cupboard bars. These are smaller. See my size difference? Yeah, these I'm gonna put one of these in my pantry. So I'll put this third bar in the fridge. Okay, now they're all in the freezer or fridge. I didn't put it in the freezer. Fridge. All right, on to the pantry. So here's my, let me go ahead and close this thing up. So here's my deal with the pantry. I have this little organizer thing in here, which I really just need to go through and put other things in it. But this space right here, no, it's dark. This space right here makes this thing move. So I'm gonna put those little guys in there too. We'll see how that goes. Okay, that's layer one. Look at me. I'm absolutely dying. I just put that on. This is so hard to get on because of this. And you can only lift this so much. Oh my God. Can you hear me? I'm out of breath. Okay. That's the, I have like a vinyl sheet or rubber sheet or whatever you want to call that thing. Waterproof. Now I have to get my regular sheet on. Oh, I hate doing this so much. This is so hard. See, because I have to shove that all the way down in there. And I have this much room to work with. I have to get it down there too. I just want to take a nap. Look, it's my skylight. Oh, here we go. Got these corners on. And this corner down here is not hard. I just have to hook that up under there. Whew, okay, so I got that on. Now I gotta get it in this corner. I am dripping with sweat. Oh gosh, okay, I did it. Whew. Oh, it's so hard. I'm dying. Look at me. Look at me. I'm dying. All right, now for the blanket and the pillows. That part's easy. Okay, that's the best I could do. I always put my comforter that way because it looks so messy. Let me show you what I did. Those are still empty. I moved this into here so I could have undies and pajamas and swimsuits and all that stuff in here, and I also keep stuff like that up there. I added this little crossbar because I had an extra one, but this is a little area in the bedroom area where we can put phones and stuff. Windows are closed. I also, whew, look at me. I added a couple crossbars up here. And then I took the thing out of my pantry. So this is empty right now, and I'm gonna have to get some sort of new shelving in here because I don't like that. Then I added, didn't put anything in the freezer. I did add the crossbars to the fridge, and that looks really good. I like that. This is my ottoman that we use. We put it on the ground when we are camped, but my laundry bag's in there, and there's some blankets in there. There's the thing that I'm gonna take home and get rid of. I have to install this crossbar for that door over there, which is out. But everything else is as is. I'm gonna go ahead and close up these curtains and go. But looks good so far. I just have to say that this person right here that parks next to me in storage, They gotta have some serious money. That at least, it's like a really, really, really nice Class A. Really nice. Oh, oh well, is what it is. Tell me when I am and am not able to paint here. I don't know if I can paint this part in the middle or polish it or whatever, but I'm not putting rings back on because I need to be able to access these. So can I paint this part right here, or do I leave it alone? That's my question of the day. Amelie! And rich person next to me.